Hey guys, this is Rosa Kelly. Welcome back to the channel. So today I'm here to give you a quick look into my newest digital collection. This collection is called Sweethearts, and it is a collection that I created for my Patreon for the month of February. So when you join Patreon every month, you get a new digital collection and also a project that I create using the collection. If you're not in Patreon, I will also have the collection listed on my website, so I'm going to have the link to that below. And so yeah, so let's go ahead and take a look. I love how this came out. It's so cute. And of course I wanted to do the walkthrough here for Valentine's Day. So happy Valentine's to everyone. Today is actually my brother's birthday too, so it's always a double celebration for us. So yeah, so here in the cover I always like to add little images, so you can use this also to kind of do a little bit of fussy cutting if you want to, and add some of those elements onto the page. And here is the first page. We have these cute little kitties holding hands. How adorable. And then we have some hearts over here, so I'm super excited to start playing with this collection. I probably should be almost done with the project by the time I post the collection here. So I will also be sharing that real soon. So over here we have some beautiful little hearts on the border, and then these cute little owls on the top. Over here we have these beautiful arrangements of hearts and all of these little pieces, and this adorable little butterfly on the corner. And then we have again the hearts on the top and this sweet little bunny, and even the cards are just so cute for Valentine's. Then we have a cute little house, some different images, and as you might have noticed, I am now designing my pages as a full 8x11 page instead of the 1-to-1 that always had the white spacing. I mean, it really depends. If you can print on a 12x12 page, it's really convenient to have an 8x8 or a 1-to-1 image. But since most people just print on 8.5x11, which is the standard printer size, I'm gonna start designing my collections this size so we can take full advantage of the entire page, and also so we can create a larger project. So a little spoiler alert, I'm creating a double folio with this collection, and it is going to be, it is an 8x10 size, so it is going to be a large book to play with and to have all kinds of room for pictures and things like that. So here we have the cute little doggies and some more arrangements and hearts and things like that, and then this sweet little bunny jumping in the balloons. So cute. Another bunny over here. So I wanted to put a lot of like classic elements, kind of having those memories of back when you were on your school days and you're making a Valentine's Day card for like your mom or for your friends, and everything is just so cute and hearts everywhere. Super cute. So here we have the most adorable table here, stationary table, and then these little kitties, and then more balloons on the top. I really like these here. And then we have some background pages. As I mentioned before, on all my collections I like to create a coordinating background. So let's say you are working on a page that has like these colors here, for example, this will be the coordinating background page. So you can print multiple of these background pages alone, and one of each of these, and then that will go with each one of those. So it's always fun to have extra, just to kind of have as filler pages. And then same thing with this is another background page that goes with another one of the pages. And then we have more of these cute little elements, and then this one here, and I added this black and white stripe. I know it has nothing to do with the collection, but this is the piece that I'm going to be using as a highlight for the spine of the book. So I just wanted something to kind of have like a complement to the collection for the spine. So when I design my collections, I'm already kind of having in mind the type of project I want to make and how I want the end result to kind of look like a little bit. So it's easy to incorporate the things that I want to add to the collection. And so yeah, so that is the Sweethearts collection. I hope you guys enjoy this quick little video showcasing how it looks like. I'm gonna be trying to be doing the walkthroughs of the collections, because on the website I only include a couple pictures, and a lot of people want to see kind of like the full collection before purchasing. And again, if you're part of the Patreon, you receive the digital collection every month. And depending on your level of membership, you can also have access to the class as well. And I hope that you guys enjoy the walkthrough. I hope that you like the new collection, and I'll be back with a project showcasing the collection as well. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.